Ladies and gentlemen, Alla Peters on July 6th. I was asked a question about Netflix, and what you're witnessing in front of you is a very powerful reminder. Everything I told you always and forever far in advance. This was Netflix prior. This was Netflix at the end of the minor trend. Price respected this level, the level we've been witnessing on S&P this morning to the tick, which we will recap shortly. What are we expecting on Netflix, and why in the world is Netflix reversing? Very, very simple. Proprietary Fibonacci reversal zone is reached, Netflix collapsed as expected. As you remember, Netflix had stunning earnings prior. So why in the world Netflix collapsing? Simple. Because Fibonacci said so. Fibonacci will override any news. Fibonacci will override any earnings, as you will witness next during oil news. What am I expecting on Netflix? This is the key. This is very important support on Netflix. If this support is out, Netflix will collapse lower. Shorts near the support not an option. Currently, sellers are fully in charge on Netflix. This is absolutely crucial support. This is where buyers came from last time on Netflix. This is a flawless place to buy from. This support, but only if rules are met. Never ever ever acquire position into reversal zone. This is where price collapsing from 85% of the time completely. And this is exactly what you're witnessing on Home Depot. Remember this? It's at reversal zone. Home Depot is heading to these levels. Knowing the rules, knowing what to monitor for, knowing if there is a bullish point of entry, that's when you need me or you need knowledge of Fibonacci. Depends if you're a retail trader or if you're a hedge fund manager. When I work with hedge fund managers, I work as Fibonacci analyst. When I work with retail traders, I teach you Fibonacci strategies. And what played out to the upside on HD is no surprise. Remember, it's a brick wall. And it's exactly what you're witnessing in front of you on S&P right now. No surprise. And what you're witnessing on Netflix is exact same thing that happened on S&P prior. Here's another reminder on Apple traders. I love this chart. This is a chart that you've been witnessing on my website for years. 2015 I warned you, Apple will collapse because reversal zone had been reached. 2015, 2016 I warned you, this is Fibonacci support, not the place to short near. Horrific earnings did not mean a thing. Why in the world is Apple collapsing now? We're still at reversal zone, ladies and gentlemen. Knowing what to do with your position, you either must know the rules. If you're a retail trader or if you're a hedge fund manager, you know where to find me. Clear on that? That remains the key. And that's what you're witnessing in front of you right now on S&P. If you remember how much Apple struggled at the end of the minor trend. That's S&P right now in front of you. That was S&P yesterday morning. You don't need to wait for weeks and months to see the accuracy of the method when first negative trades in months had been in a play. I am only human. This was highest probability, this support. Exact same support you saw on Apple. Exact same support you witnessed on gold. Gold chart present in front of you for years. And that's a reminder where gold collapsed from. it reached reversal zone, like Home Depot, like Apple. Formula remains the same. That's what you will witness next on oil. This is oil chart that I use when I work with institutions. This was a very powerful reminder of the importance of reversal zone in 2016, and this is what I projected years in advance. This is the end of the minor trend. This is institutional resistance. Bullish trend on oil remains minor. 55 is a brick wall. This is institutional support. Do not short near. Both trends on weekly chart are minor. And this exact same resistance in a play in front of you right now on S&P to the tick. No need to wait for weeks and months to witness the accuracy of the method. Market in pain. And that's what I'm paying attention to on this chart. That's in front of me. And that's what we discussed with students. This is a brick wall. It's the end of the minor trend. If price is breaking through this level, market will become interesting. And that's very powerful reminder. Bullish rally on S&P, chart present in front of you for years, where buyers stepped in from, reached this Fibonacci resistance, taking price months and months and months to break through this level. Bullish rally exhausted traders, taking months to break through this level. That's S&P in front of you right now. No reason to wait weeks and months. This is what we're monitoring for now. It's a brick wall that you saw on Apple, on Netflix, on gold, on oil. Ladies and gentlemen, oil news in 15 minutes. Expectations minus 2.5 ME. If number is more negative, it's bullish news. If number is above, it's bearish. Oil, unlike any other news, is completely opposite. It's inverse. Undersupply is bullish, oversupply is bearish. So let's review oil long term and what to expect on oil. This is oil daily chart that's been present in front of you since last year. This is where oil collapsed from as expected, as this was reversal zone. This was OPEC production cuts on April 12th when oil was supposed to skyrocket. My bias was firmly bearish. It was a reversal zone. So ladies and gentlemen, exact same level you witnessed on S&P, on oil, on Apple, on gold, in a place this morning on oil. This is very important institutional support. Precisely, specifically 45.50 area. This is extremely important level on day trading chart. Take a look. Traders, this is day trading levels on oil before oil news release. As you're witnessing, oil is doing exact same thing as we've been dealing entire morning on S&P. This is the end of the minor trend. This is a brick wall. If bullish trend is minor, if bullish trend is major, this level will be broken and price will skyrocket to drastically higher levels. This is also a powerful reminder, never acquire position at reversal zone. Price reaches reversal zone, price will reverse. This level is out, oil will head drastically higher. This is a brick wall. Never ever ever acquire position into this level. We don't care how bullish news is. This is ultimate Fibonacci resistance, which you saw on multiple other instruments. So, let's witness in live markets what will play out on oil. Let's convert this chart to 1 minute chart, oil news, in 8 minutes. Again, once again, right before oil news, this is the end of the minor trend. In order for the trend to be major, it needs to break through this level. Bullish trend on oil is major, oil will skyrocket. Nevertheless, as a day trader, you never acquire position into this level. We don't care how bullish the news is. We don't care how bearish the news is. Long entry into this level will never work. Your success rate less than 15%. If you're buying oil below. By the time you come to this level, you are in profit. Rules are met, you can buy outside, never into this level. Clear on that? And that remains the key. That what you can use on Amazon, that what you use on Apple, on Home Depot, on gold, on euro, on oil, on S&P. You learn price action, you choose what you want to trade. Students trade stocks, forex, options, futures. Price the same everywhere. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. So please remember, S&P traded zone, market is moving. Please remember where stops and targets are. Oil news is out, extremely bullish news. Please remember what we identified on oil. Please do not forget. This is oil. Oil finally breaking through the end of the minor trend. Bullish news. Clear on that? Pay attention on S&P, the end of the minor trend in a progress. No ifs or buts about it. Trail very, very carefully. Bullish rally in a progress. Bullish trend is major on oil. S&P is moving to the upside. Remember that? 24.16 and a quarter is very important on S&P. Do not forget that. To the tick, S&P may give you a pause. To the tick, oil is giving you a pause. Exact same accuracy you witnessed on short-term charts. Exact same with accuracy you witnessed on all the long-term stocks and commodities you saw. We are on the right side of the market once again. How many points a day do you need on S&P? Oil broke through the end of the minor trend. Oil is rallying. Extremely bullish news. Our bias on S&P also bullish. No ifs or buts about it. But 24.16 is respected on S&P. To the tick. Ladies and gentlemen, any questions? Please do ask. We are on the right side of the market once again. S&P is the most popular day trading instrument in the United States of America. It is the most leveraged instruments. If you can trade one lot on S&P, you can trade many lots on S&P. As long as you do your due diligence, as long as you do practice and play by the rules. As I said prior, listen to students, listen to what you trade. Students trade S&P, students trade stocks long term, students doing both, or choose the instrument they prefer. I have multiple trades in front of me. For the trading room, I brought up one. Identical structure on both. Right on the side of the market once again. How many points on S&P right now will depend how you placed your trade. If you placed properly, stop limit order to the tick, you are currently on S&P at almost 2 points. 2 points on S&P, 1 lot $100, 10 lots $1,000, 20 lots $2,000. In the course, we have students from beginner to hedge fund trader. In the course, we have students who have account as small as 5,000, account as large as 7 figures. What you trade, absolutely up to you. And that, all that matters. Indicators are delayed. Indicators, artificial tools. Only Fibonacci will give you this much accuracy. You don't need to wait weeks, days and months to see the accuracy. You see it instantly every day. Identical strategies, different instruments. Choice is yours. Identifying what kind of trader you are, absolutely the most important part of trading. Identifying if you can sleep well at night or if you must be out of a trade in a matter of minutes is absolutely essential to your success. Students constantly speak in the course. Those who say that day trading is not their cup of tea, and those who say they can only day trade because they cannot sleep at night, because they constantly wonder what market will do next. What a powerful reminder of exact same thing you saw on Apple, on Home Depot, on Netflix, on gold, oil, 1 minute chart reversing from reversal zone. We said that well before the news. Bullish trend became major. It blasted through this level. But this is next obstacle. Remember what I said earlier? Price reverses from this level 80-85% of the time. Never ever buy near. No need to wait for weeks and months. You see it instantly, every day. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. What you trade, absolutely up to you. I'm not accepting hedge fund traders in the course anymore. I only work with hedge funds as technical analyst. So if you're fortunate enough to be in the course, if you're a retail trader, I look forward working with you. Let's see how far oil will collapse. Boom. No surprise. This is Fibonacci support. Remember what we discussed on Netflix? How important that support is? Identical in front of you. Different chart, different time frame. You see it instantly. And that's what every single instrument does each and every time. Exact same thing as Home Depot, exact same thing as gold, as Netflix. Reverses from reversal zone. On Apple, last time Apple collapsed 40%. On gold, gold collapsed 30%. You witness in front of you, instantly. The accuracy of the method I developed in 2008. Thank you, traders. Have a joy-filled weekend. If you're a retail trader, look forward to seeing you in the course. If you're a hedge fund manager, look forward to hearing from you. Thank you much.